All of you, welcome back to yet another video. So finally this one is happening. I was not getting time from the last 1 month to make recording like this where I can take all your questions, all your queries. I can see a lot of questions you have asked me in the YouTube, and I try my best to answer all of those. Some of you have sent a lot of emails in the official email, and I hope David responds to all those queries which you guys had. I got a lot of question in my Insta DM. So to be honest, like last month was pretty busy. I had to deliver a couple of project, and still we have to deliver a couple of project, but it's a long term project. So still I'm little busy in that. So we can simply finish all of this work. And I know that a lot of pending work we have, like I have to publish my Rust course, which is 50% done. It's in the editing, and I plan that once I complete the entire Rust, then I will publish. I'm not going to publish one by one. I'll publish the entire playlist or the entire video in one go, so you guys can follow that. And I also made a couple of commitment that we're going to build these projects. So soon the project will start coming on. So just give me like 2 weeks time to 3 weeks time once we finalize all of these works. After that, I'm going to make a proper schedule where I can simply plan like every single day one video. We'll take a live session as well where you can ask your questions. We'll also look at the portfolio. A lot of you have sent me your portfolio to see, to make the changes. So I did in few of them, but we have a lot. So I'm going to give you a template that what are the things you have to add in your portfolio, because when you apply in the job, it go to the HR. Before it hit the HR, is go to a system, like a computer will simply analyze your portfolio based on certain keywords. So that's what we're going to talk about it, that how you're going to optimize your entire resume before you send to your HR or apply in the job. These are things is very important because every single company has a different requirement. So before you apply for any job, don't apply blindly just like that. They want to hire a web3 developer, don't apply just like that. Try to see the requirement, that what technology they want, what are the experience level they want, what type of project you can include. Because if you look at the web3 space, most of the companies look for a 3 years experience, 5 years experience. So they give this number to make you scared, and many of you get into this trap that they have asked for 3 years or 5 years, so I should not apply. No, nothing like that. If you have built the project, if you have the skill for that relevant technology, they will hire you. But you have to know that how you have to approach, how you have to add the thing in your portfolio, how you have to present yourself in terms of communication, in terms of your skills, in terms of your project, which you can simply present based on the requirement they have. So that's all we're going to talk about it. I'm going to try to take at least 2 to 3 live session where you can ask, where we're going to analyze the code structure of the smart contract, we're going to analyze the portfolio, and we do a lot of stuff. So just give me like 2 to 3 weeks times, like this month, this entire month, and after that we're going to have videos regularly, and we have a lot of project coming on the channel. And I'm going to simply upload 2 more videos about the project, and after that I'm going to release a project so you guys can follow that. So I'm going to have your opinion because I have 3 projects ready. It's all of these threes are in the editing, so I have these 3 projects ready. So before I publish, I'll make a video where I will ask you that which one you guys want me to build first, so I can publish and you guys can simply follow that. And these 3 projects are very interesting. It's very interesting, so I'll talk about in a separate video. So finally we are back on YouTube, and I hope you guys have followed all the videos which we are publishing. I'm also publishing some of the old project videos, so you can simply follow that, because many of you have asked me that, like, this particular project is 1 year old, 8 month old, are they still relevant, or I can include in my portfolio? Yes, definitely. Technology is the same. Once you understand the logic, once you understand the technology, once you understand the tools and the software, you understand, and you can utilize those learning to build any kind of application. Okay, so project never get old, the root is same, and you build on top of that. So that's the thing you have to understand. So still try to build all the projects we have on the channel, like chat application, decentralized NFT marketplace, API, staking platform, ERC20 token, Uniswap loan, decentralized exchange. We have tons of projects. Try to build at least 4 of them. In that way, it will help you to understand and build logic. The more you will build, the more you will see the code structure that will help your understanding and build your logic. So that's the only thing for now in this video. Hope you guys have got an understanding, and if you still have any question, any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to respond to that. And soon we're going to have live session where you can guys ask me, and make sure to check all the project we have on the channel. Build project, build project, build project. So once you build project, it will help you, and you can show that in your resume and you can get into the industry very quickly. I heard this many times that I'm applying into the company but I'm not getting selected. I simply ask them that show me your resume. When I look at their resume, what I have found that they have no project. Then why any company would hire you if you have nothing to impress, nothing to show? If you go blindly, I know this particular technology, why would they take you? Because you don't have anything to explain. So work on your project. Once you have project, they will look at the project, they will see that these are the things you have included. They know, okay, this guy has done something and he know what he has built. So that's the entire strategy. I'm going to take it from here. We'll try to build the strategy. We're going to understand every single thing, and we'll try as a interview session. I'm also going to include some of the interview question which I was asked when I was getting into the industry related to the JavaScript. Because when I got into the industry in 2018, it was heavily around JavaScript. So I'm going to bring all of the question which was asked. I gave 12 interview, and after I got selected, so I can explain all the question which I got asked, so you guys can get yourself prepared. Because there are a set of questions, they will ask you the same set of questions when it's come to Solidity, when it's come to the libraries, when it's come to the JavaScript. They're going to ask you the same set of questions when you will give the interview. So we're going to cover every single thing. Okay, just let me know if you have any special requirement, or if you guys have any idea regarding this session. We're going to proceed ahead soon. Just let me know in the comment section and what your thought on this, and that will help me a lot. So have a wonderful day. Bye bye.